everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. Today I'm here to talk about a super exciting new cashback app that can be used with Kroger, Walmart, and legit so many other places. This app has been around for about a year, but it just recently added Walmart and Kroger as options to earn cashback. And you guys know Kroger and Walmart, those are my stores. Like, that's the stores that I talk about several times a week. And so if I can teach you guys how to get more cash back from those stores, that is definitely something that I want to do. Most rebate apps have specific specifications on what items you can buy to earn a rebate back. However, the app that we're talking about today allows you to earn up to 35% back on absolutely anything you buy. There are no specifications, no requirements, nothing. It is just earn money back on your purchase of anything. And to me, that is huge. That's a really big deal. I'm just super excited to share this with you guys today. So the app that we're talking about is the Fluz app. Before I get into it, I'm going to show you guys in the app everything exactly what to do. But if you guys are interested in signing up, don't just go to your phone and type in Fluz. Go down in the description box below, or if you want to type the link in, I'll have it flash up on the screen. Download the app using my referral link. You guys got to have a referral link to get the 35% cashback vouchers. So you have to sign up under somebody to get those. So I would really appreciate it if you guys would sign up using my link. It'd be so greatly appreciated. It does really help me out after you guys use the code and redeem your first voucher. So if you all do that, it helps me out a ton and helps you guys out because it gets you those extra cashback vouchers, which is awesome. So please consider using my code to get us both started earning more with Fluz. So how does this work? I'm going to go flip over to my phone and I want to show you guys everything you need to do to get started with Fluz. So let's head over to my phone now and go into the Fluz app. All right, so we are now in the Fluz app, and on the front, this is the home page. This is what you're going to see when you open it up. And it has 3 different ways to earn cash back. It shows get cash back at popular stores up to 35% back. That's what we're talking about in this video. There also is the option if you invite your friends to use Fluz, you can get additional cash back, which is great. And it also talks about some bonuses you can get. But for this video specifically, we're just going to talk about how to earn cash back at popular stores. So we're going to click on that option. And that will bring you to the pay page. And the first thing you're going to see is you have 3 vouchers. Now for me, I already used one of my vouchers, so it shows that I only have 2 left. But you're going to see that it has 3. And you're going to see it has vouchers up to 35% cash back at participating stores. So we got places like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Steak and Shake, Domino's, Papa John's, CVS, which is a couponer's favorite, Starbucks, Chipotle, which I did personally, Burger King, Pete's Coffee and Tea, Jamba Juice, Dunkin', all these places. These are voucher stores, which means you got 3 vouchers. You get to pick where you use them from these select stores. You can get up to 35% cash back. So like I went to Chipotle, got my family's favorite order. That came to $19.50. I purchased a $19.50 gift card through the Fluz app, paid with that, and I earned back over $3 of cash back. That's pretty awesome right there, guys. That is epic, epic, epic. Remember that you guys have to use a link, a referral link, in order to get the vouchers. So you can't just download Fluz without a link and get the vouchers. You have to use a link. So remember, mine's in the description box. Please, please sign up using that link. It helps us both out because you get the vouchers and I get credit building up towards a special bonus in Fluz. But anyways, that's really easy. And after you use your vouchers, because you get 3, it doesn't mean the cash back stops there. You can keep earning a lower percentage at these stores, but after you use your vouchers, you can still redeem cash back at these places, which is great. So if you regularly shop at CVS or get coffee at Starbucks, just such a good option for that. Truly, if you do nothing else with Fluz, the vouchers alone are worth it. It's so amazing. So beyond that, beyond the voucher stores, we have hundreds of different restaurants, travel, all sorts of grocery stores and other stores that have cash back through Fluz. I've compiled a favorites list of places that I frequent. I need to look through the list again because there's more places on there that I will go. But for this video, we're going to specifically dive into Walmart and Kroger. Currently, Kroger has a cashback rate of 1% and Walmart has a cashback rate of 0.5%. And you may be thinking, that's not very much. However, as couponers, getting this additional cash back literally could turn your haul that costs some change into free or a moneymaker. And for a couponer, that's huge. So let's do an example. Let's say you go to Kroger and you spend $25 and Ibotta is giving you back $24.75. That comes to 25 cents. Let's say you go into Fluz and you get a $25 gift card and that earns you back 25 cents cash back. That made your haul free because get this, it doesn't matter what rebates that you use with Fluz. Let's say your total is $25 and you get $24.75 on Ibotta. Doesn't matter what you're getting from Ibotta. It just matters what you paid out of pocket at Kroger. So a lot of times with these rebates, we're actually having to pay full price for things because we're getting rebates back on them. No coupons involved, which is epic because we're getting the cash back as if we're paying full price for the item, which is insanity right there. So that is great, great, great. And that really adds up over the weeks. I mean, over your trips. If you do 2 or 3 trips a week and you're earning 25 cents on each trip and you're doing 3 trips a week, we're averaging here, but let's say there's 52 weeks, you're getting 75 cents back a week. That's $39 just from your Kroger trips, not including anything else. That $39 just for doing something, for making a purchase you'd make anyway, that's pretty awesome. And that's just one store. That doesn't include Walmart. That doesn't include dining out or airline tickets or anything else. Netflix, that doesn't include those things. This is just one store. So that just shows you how the possibilities of earning are endless with Fluz. So I'm going to tell you guys now, you might be like, how do I do this? So let me explain. Let's talk how to do it at Walmart first. I'm also going to show you exactly how to do it at Kroger. For Walmart, you're just going to go to any register. Any register. It can be self-checkout or it can be a lane. You're going to scan your items and scan your coupons. Let's say after that, your total comes to $56.93. You're going to go into Fluz, enter that amount, and you're going to click continue. Then what that's going to do is it is going to pull from whatever payment method you link. So you can use a credit card, a debit card, or the way I love to coupon, PayPal. Rolling the money through PayPal. If you follow me regularly, y'all know I love that PayPal debit card. If I had to give that up, no way would I use Fluz because the PayPal debit card has allowed me to roll my money without ever having to spend. So I'm just taking my rebate money, spending that on a haul, cashing back out on the rebates and getting more money in my PayPal. So if Fluz didn't let me do that, I wouldn't use it. But that's not the case. You can link your PayPal account directly to Fluz. So you don't even have to request a PayPal debit card. Link your PayPal account to Fluz. And when you go into Fluz and purchase the gift card, it just pulls that $56.93 out of your PayPal balance. Epic right there. So what it's going to do, it's going to take that $56.93 out of your PayPal and it's going to generate a gift card for $56.93 to use at Walmart. That easy. So Fluz, you pay, you link your payment amount to Fluz, you go on Fluz, enter the amount, click continue. That's going to buy a gift card to Walmart. It's going to take the money out of your PayPal, and you're now going to have a gift card brought up in your account to use in Walmart. Let me give an example of what that looks like. I have my Chipotle gift card that I used already, so don't get excited thinking you can redeem it and get some money because I used it already. This is kind of what it's going to look like. The gift card barcode will be a little different, but it'll bring up a gift card. You scan the gift card. It'll take that off as if it's your payment, and that's it. It pays for it right then and there. The only deal with Walmart, if you have an e-gift card at all, whether it came from your email, whether it came from Fetch, Fluz, whatever, it just calls for the Walmart manager to simply approve it. They just do that to make sure you're not using a fake gift card or whatever. They just quickly punch in their numbers and you'll be on your way. So just a heads up, that will happen, but it's really an easy, quick fix. So that is how you do it with Walmart. For Kroger, you're going to go to Kroger, and it's even more awesome. Kroger is a higher cash back percentage right now than Walmart. You're going to go enter whatever your total is. I just made up some fake number, and you're going to get that cash back. And that's the other thing. I didn't say this. When you pay for your gift card, that's when you get the cash back. It instantly hits your Fluz account. So as you see here, I'm earning 27 cents cash back from Kroger. That instantly hits my account. I don't have to wait for anything. Like as soon as I buy the gift card, it gives me the cash back. That's awesome. So it goes right into my Fluz account, waiting for me to be able to cash it out, which is awesome. So with Kroger, you must go to a regular checkout lane. I hope they change this in the future, but right now that's how it is. You must go to a regular lane. You'll have all your items rang up, and you'll use your coupons, and then the cashier will give you a total. What you're going to do then is go into Fluz, enter that total, click continue there, and it'll give you a gift card, okay? And then you'll pay with that gift card. To redeem at Kroger, you just show them that. They will hit the EFT button on their cash register, and then they will scan the gift card, or if they'd rather enter the number, they can do that. And then that's it. There's no authorization or anything. They just use the gift card, and it comes off without any problem, and you get the cash back from it, which is awesome. How awesome is it that there's an app out there that's rewarding you for a purchase you make anyway? Like, there's no requirements. I'll be honest, with all these other rebate apps, we pretty much have to purchase a specific thing to get the money back. And with Fluz, we don't have to. There's no requirement. You just get cash back on absolutely anything. So every trip you guys do, you can get cash back, and that will continue to add up into your Fluz account. And then once you hit a certain threshold, I think it's like $26, I think is what it said in mine, you can cash out to PayPal, which is epic, epic. A couple other things. We do know that some apps have rules about not stacking coupons. With Fluz, or not stacking coupons or other apps, Fluz has 0 restrictions. You can combine it with any coupons or other rebate apps that you want, which is awesome. And truly, the sky is the limit with Fluz. Let's say you want to go to Foot Locker and buy a new pair of tennis shoes. Boom, I can get cash back for it. Say you're going to the movies, get cash back with Fluz. Let's say you're going to go fly, you're going to do a fly on an airplane, you have to go somewhere and travel. Get cash back with American Airlines. You're going on a cruise, there's a cash back for a cruise company I saw on there. Like, seriously, there is no other app that I know of that truly has this many options. Seriously, this has got to be one of the coolest apps ever. And I am like so excited to be able to share it with you guys. This is not the last you're going to be hearing of it, because I'm just really excited about this app. And I want everybody to be able to know about it and hopefully use it. If nothing else, just for those vouchers, because those vouchers are like insane right there. They're awesome to get that 35% cash back. So, super exciting. If you guys haven't signed up, go into the description box, click on that link, sign up. It'll get you guys your 3 vouchers, and once you redeem your first voucher, it will give me credit. I'm working towards a big bonus. So let me know when you guys sign up and redeem your first voucher. It is so greatly appreciated. If any of you guys have any more questions, let me know. I am here to help. And yeah, get on Fluz and sign up. You're going to love it. I promise you're going to love it. And I hate that I didn't know about it all this time. It's been out for a year, and I just was intimidated by it. But now that I've really looked into it, it is so easy and just so many opportunities to earn cash back. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sign up for Fluz, and thank you so much for watching.